Hi, this is Justin with Happy Home Crafts, and I'm going to make a noodle board slash serving tray. Now, I've done one before. This is just a different version, so I'm going to do this really quick. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and have yourself a blessed day. Thank you.